Let's take a closer look at LWCS. Instructions tell the computer what to do. For example, the first instruction, which is instruction 0, is add DST equals 3, SRC1 equals 1, SRC2 equals 2. This instruction means add the values in memory cells 1 and 2 and store the result in memory cell 3. Instruction 1 is another add instruction. Our computer executes one instruction at a time. Then which of the two instructions will be executed? The program counter tells us the next instruction number. Initially, the program counter value is 0, so instruction 0 will be executed. Note that a computer program is just a set of one or more computer instructions. Memory cells store integers. In this example, the value of memory cell 0 is 0, and the value of memory cell 1 is 2, and so on. As the computer executes instructions, it reads and updates memory cell values. For instance, the add instruction tells the computer to add values stored in 2 cells and store the sum in a third cell. When instruction 0 is executed, the computer adds the value in memory cell 1, which is 2, and memory cell 2, which is 6, and stores the result in memory cell 3. Thus, the value of cell 3 changes from 0 to 8. Also, the program counter increments by 1, which means the next instruction to execute is instruction 1. Finally, the time always increments by 1. Let's click on the next button to confirm this behavior. As we can see, the memory cell number 3 has been updated to 8, and the program counter and the time has both been updated to 1. What happens if we click next again? Instruction 1 is executed, which means the value at memory cell 2 and the value at memory cell 3 are added, and the result is stored in memory cell 1. As we can see, 6 and 8 were added, and the result, 14, was stored in memory cell 1. We can click on the Reset button to go back to the original state. The Instructions section is a text editor that we can freely change. We can click on one of the instructions and change the values. We can also add new instructions by pressing the Enter key. We can also click on memory cells and change their values. We can click the Add button to add more memory cells, and we can click the Remove button to remove memory cells. After we're finished, we can test our changes by clicking the next button.